Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a screenshot on your Windows 11 or 10 computer. So you can see I have my on-screen keyboard I took a picture of, and it's very easy to do this. Go to the print scan button on your keyboard. So for this one, you can see it's located right here, print scan. I'll say that somewhere on the top. Otherwise, you can press Shift, Windows button, and S, and that's the print scan shortcut, and then it will take a screenshot. So let's do that now. As soon as you hit print scan and you take a screenshot, you should be able to hit Control V or just go to paste, and you should be able to paste it. So let's hit Control V, and you can see this is a screenshot I just took of the keyboard just right now. And you can paste it anywhere you want, maybe in email or something like that. Otherwise, the pathway to get to your screenshots is through Explorer. So go to the bottom to File Explorer, go to your name, and then go to Pictures, go to Screenshots, and you can see them all in here. Just go to Sort and go to Descending, and you should be able to see the latest ones on the top. So very easy to do, and here it is. I took a screenshot just a few seconds ago in paint.net. So you can copy and paste it, or you can go to the actual folder right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below. More checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.